We've all been there. Bento time comes and, oh no, no rice. What do I do? Well, I hear you and I have just the recipe. Sesame Noodles to the rescue! Good morning. My name is Willow and this is You Need a Bento. Today we're going to tackle that problem of we're out of rice. Sesame noodles is a perfectly good option, very tasty, and fills basically the same role. And it's super easy. Actually, you may come to prefer it over rice because of how easy it is. So we're going to start with a teaspoon of sugar. You can do more, but I find noodles don't need to be super sweet. This is 1 tablespoon plus a little bit of rice vinegar. It's going to depend on which rice vinegar you get. Some are more acidic than others. Annie's got an opinion too. This is 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. This is pure sesame oil, not cut with anything. A lot of times when you find sesame oil, it'll be sesame oil and canola. Avoid that if you can. You can always add canola to sesame oil. You can't really take it away if you don't want it. And this is 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can go up to 4 if you didn't salt your noodles. And these noodles are cooked al dente, not too much further, you don't want mush, and rinse them in very cold water. I'm just going to mix this up. Over your noodles. Now it'll depend how saucy you like your noodles and what the seal is like on your bento box to how much sauce you want. You don't want to have them swimming. This is a vinegar sauce, so it can be a little overpowering. But that's it. And a little bit of sesame seeds, toasted if you can, for garnish. Mix those in just a bit. And there you are, all done. Sesame noodles, no rice in your bento, and it's not a crisis. Thanks so much for watching. You have yourself a great day.